Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? I just want to show you guys a video of how I make my raised bed and what I use for compost. I use these leaves and I place them in the bed. Okay? Then I put the dirt over it. And then I leave it so the rain, the sun, the coldness, everything gonna be rotten in this leaf over a period of time. Then this same leaf gonna become compost. Okay, so now this is a raised bed that I have here. This is an area right here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use these leaves and I'm going to spread it all over. Okay, so just like how you see I do this with all the leaf, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the dirt on top of it. So over a period of time, this is gonna become compost for the plant. So this is all I use, and I also use rotten wood, which I'm gonna show you as well. So this is how you can get all the nutrients and all the minerals and everything from your vegetables. Why? Because you're using stuff that comes from the earth, that comes from nature. When you add the pesticide and other things, to me, my opinion, I think it messes with the soil and also the plant. That's my opinion. Everybody else have their own opinion. But to me, this is how I plant organic. So I'm going to put some dirt and add on top of this. Then I'm going to show you the end result of it. I'm also going to show you guys some plants that I have in the garden, which is organic, which is the same way I prepare this bed, is the same way I prepare the other bed. Okay. All right, so what I'm doing now, I'm going to dig the dirt from this area and I'm going to add it on top of there and so when you do like this, you ain't got to add no manure to this for at least another 2 years. This gonna maintain this garden, the vegetables for this year. Then for the next year, these leaves gonna be rotting, decaying, and start feeding for the next crop. All right, so now this is the raised bed. So this raised bed already prepared for the spring, and after this crop this spring, next season you wouldn't have to add no fertilizer, no manure, nothing. This will maintain your plants in this area for a few years. Okay, so this is how I grow my vegetables. I only use things from the earth. I'm not sure if everybody have access to stuff like this, but this is very important. When you plant like these, you get the full nutrient. You get what you're supposed to get from the plant. And the earth will always be rich and nice instead of dry with no substance inside of it. So this is very important. So you guys see what I did here. I add the bush underneath, then I add the dirt on top, and I'm gonna just leave it here. A lot of people add different things like eggs, all different things to break down the leaves. But I don't know if you ever add garbage in a can and go back to the garbage, and when you go you see all kind of bacteria and all kind of thing living coming out of the garbage. So I try to stay away from those things because I just want a nice clean garden. I want to create no parasite and insect in the garden, so I do not add these products, eggs and nothing. I allow nature to break it down for itself. So now I'm going to show you guys a few things that I plant this same way. All right. Okay. This bed, I did this bed the same way. These are collard greens, collards. Okay, all these is collards coming down here. And they're growing, as you can see, they're growing pretty decent. Okay, nothing added. Same process like what I show you there. It's the same thing I did here. And even here. Okay, these are collards as well. Over here now. Over here, this is broccoli. All right, these broccoli already start producing already. If you could look here, watch. You can see they already start producing and they look as healthy as possible. All these are broccoli. Some of them already start pushing out broccoli already. This one, so this whole area here is broccoli. These are parsley. Parsley, which is very healthy. If you blend, you could drink this in the morning. This is very good in the morning. Research state that it helps bring down high blood pressure. So you see, fresh organic parsley from the garden. Okay? So this is what I'm talking about, guys. You walk in your garden and you get a fresh bundle of parsley. It's raining right now, so this is wonderful as well. All these up here, these are cabbage. And all of them went through the same process. Everything you see went through the same process. These are onions right here. Everything went through the same process. So this is a fully 100% organic garden, and I show you guys the step. So I just want, if you guys interested, you guys can subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and because a lot of videos is coming. All right, so let's go back down here. I want to pick a few more Okay. This is peppermint. You see, this is peppermint growing really nice. All these are celery. These are celery. What I'm going to use these for, I'm going to use these for seasoning. They season fish pretty well. So if you like fish or you like meat, this is good seasoning for you. Parsley, celery, really good seasoning. All right, so this is mint. I'm gonna pick a small piece. This is mint, fresh mint. So if you want to make some tea, you just come and pick a piece of mint and boil it for a little, and you have mint tea right there. All right, guys, so the whole process, it's about put in the leaf and add the dot, and then you have a beautiful organic garden with very tasty vegetables. Peace and love, you guys. Peace and love. Blessings.